What is that thing?
Yes. So once again, another product that falls into this gray area of cosmetic procedures. This is the plasma fibroblast. I talked to training companies online. I had a chat session with them, and they told me to go ahead and I said, I don't know how to use this. I'm new to this procedure. I've never tried anything like this. They're like, don't worry. You practice on fruit first and then human.
Oh,
their
great.
words. So this is the fruit. I was like, well, what kind of fruit are you using? They're like an orange. So if you look very closely, this is
Do you see
burning.
that spark? That's a heat source. So plasma fibroblasting has been around for a while, plasma surfacing done in dermatology and plastic surgeons' offices. The reason it didn't actually gain as much traction as lasers is because it is sometimes difficult to control the amount of heat. What Leslie's doing is she's burning the skin of this orange. And when you think about people doing this at home, they're burning tiny holes in their skin, which then, as they heal, stimulate new collagen and contraction. Now, the videos I saw of this particular device were people doing it around their eyes, where you're putting a tremendous heat source that can burn your eye.
I'm treating my moles. Keep
so
talking.
much contraction that you can't close your eyelid. I mean, these are the risks we talk about in a medical context.
This actually,
when you do
I just tried it on
resurfacing, it's
myself.
hot.
It's hot.
Yes.
It is burning.
This is, and look, this
And
is
the pictures are horrendous of the after. And
Yes.
talk about the aftercare, because there's a lot of misinformation online about that as well when it comes to this procedure.
So yes, so when I investigated these videos online, one of the aspects of aftercare is they were telling everyone just to let it dry out, let it scab. We now know that even that wound care has been completely debunked, that you want to keep things hydrated and moist. So they re-epithelialize and they heal properly. But what freaked me out the most was the emphasis on the eyelids, because to be clear, when you resurface someone's eyelids in this location and you cause too much contraction of that collagen, you will not be able to close your eyes. This is a risk that any practitioner who's done some training in this area should be aware of.
The skin of the body,
Yes.
really susceptible to over-treating burns.
The doctors.
12 years in!
The prognosis you prayed for.
For the first time in public, I want to see if she can take a few steps.
This is so scary.
The treatment you needed.
You look fabulous.
It's the daytime talk show that's been your cure for over a decade.
That is literally taking the lives from their community. I can't believe that this is happening.
With the issues affecting your health right now.
It is not housing. It is not economic inequality. It is a health crisis.
I lied to you, and I lied to you. I have a truth that I'm going to reveal.
The Doctors. On call for season 12.